Hello everyone, this is Frank Ilo from Alpha Design Studios. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to place your ridge cap on your roof. How to place the ridge cap on the roof. Alright, so you can see the roof design on the screen already, and you can see that we have the ridge cap properly and accurately positioned. This is the ridge cap and here is the gutter. This is how your work is supposed to look like at the end of your architectural visualization. But I've discovered that so many 3D artists fail to place their ridge cap on their roof, and that makes that visualization not realistic at all right, because in real life you can never build without this, and what you are only representing in your visualization is what the building is supposed to be like in real life. So when you don't put everything that needs to be put, then your visualization is incomplete. And this is what I want to help you stop doing with this video. So by the end of watching this video, you should be able to fix or place your ridge cap on your roof. Now let's take a look at this building. This building was done by a 3D artist that I respect so much, that I even follow on Instagram. All right, so but I discovered that even though the visualization is very nice, but without the ridge cap, this visualization is incomplete. This visualization is incomplete without the ridge cap, and I want you to stop doing this with this video that I'm making. So let's jump right into it. Let's go to Revit. So this is the building we are going to be using for this exercise. And let me also tell you that there are two methods you can use to achieve this same aim. The first method is longer and more stressful, more rigorous. The second method is shorter and very easy to use. So the choice is yours. So can we get started? To use the first method I'm going to talk about, you first need to go to your elevation view. Now let's go to south elevation. So this is our south elevation. The next thing you're going to do is to copy this roof out. Click on it, go to copy and lift it up, making sure that you do not shift left or right. Make sure it is in alignment, push it up and click and drop it there. Then go to modify and click so as to end the command. When you have done this, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your site plan. Go to site plan under your project browser, double click on site, then it's going to bring you here. This very roof you are seeing is not the original one. This is the one that has been copied. This is the one that is on the top. So you are going to now go to architecture, click on architecture, then it's going to bring you here. Under opening, click on vertical opening, click on vertical opening, then come to the roof, click on the roof, then it's going to change to sketch mode. Then come here under your draw and select pick lines. When you have done that, bring your cursor to the outline of the roof, click right round on the outline. Just be going right round the outline. Just be going right round the outline like this. All right, we have gone round. So when you are done with this, now come here where you have offsets. Type in, can be 100 mm, can be 125, but I choose 125. So this is going to be the wideness of your ridge cap. So you're going to come here where you have the ridge caps, offset to the right, offset to the left. So which automatically makes this 250 millimeters as the wideness of your ridge cap, because you have 125 on this side, 125 on this side. Adding the two of them together will give you 250. So you come here again and offset here, here, and here. Same thing here, and same thing here. You offset here and here. Make sure you do not offset the gutters. So you can see how long this is taking. I told you that this first method takes a longer time. After offsetting all this, you are still going to come and trim them. You are still going to trim them. That's way too long. So when you are done with the offsetting, you now start to trim. All right. Go to trim here, click on trim. Click on this side and this side, this side and this side, leaving the middle open. Do the same thing here, this side, this side, this side, this side, leaving here open. So you continue in the same vein. The same thing here, the same thing here. This is a long process, I must say. This is a long process. Okay, you come here and trim here and trim here. Then go to pick line and click on this very one, click on this very one and trim it again, because here must not be open. So click on modify to end, click on trim again to continue. You can see what I'm saying. This takes too long. If it were the other method I'm talking about, by now we would have completed this. Okay. When you are done trimming, make sure you go right round to ensure that everything is trimmed. Okay, you can see that this place is not trimmed. All right, I think we are done now. I think we are done. Make sure you cross-check that there is no intersection anywhere. All right, so we are done with this. The next thing we are going to do is go here, click on Finish Edit Mode. Then click on Modify to end. And you are done with that. Let's go to the 3D view. So you can see the roof ridge cap. But to place it on this roof, we are going to go to our elevation view. Let's go to South Elevation. Then click on the ridge cap. Click on Move. When you come here, where you see Constraint, uncheck. Because if you don't uncheck this, you won't be able to move this down. So uncheck it and check this join. Then come to the tip here, click here and move it down. Make sure you don't shift. Then move it down to this point. Click here. All right. Then click on Modify. You can see there. Now let's go to the top. Go to 3D view. What's happening? So this has gone up. So let's go back. This has gone up. Let's go and bring this down. I don't know what happened there. So click on it. Click on move and bring it down. All right. Then click on modify. So you can see the ridge cap is there now. Let's go to the 3D view. So you can see what we have. The ridge cap is there. And this is how to use this very method. But one beautiful thing about this method is that when you use this method, the material for the roof itself and the material for the ridge cap are always the same. It is not so with the second method, but that is not an issue. It is not a problem. You can always apply materials on the ridge cap. All right, so let's now go to the second method. For us to go to the second method, we are going to delete this. Click on this and delete it. So to go to the second method, we are going to go back again to our site plan. Double click on site plan. Then when you come here, let me also explain to you that the second plan we're going to use is a method where the ridge cap is a component, just like you have every other component in Revit, like your furniture, your lighting fixtures, your entourage, your cars, whatever components you can think of in Revit. That is how this one comes. So what you're going to do is go to components, click on components, go to load family, click on load family. Then you are going to look for where you saved the component, the ridge cap component. Where did you save it? So I'm going to go to desktop where I saved mine. Click here. Then I'm going to come here, click here. Then you can see it. This is my ridge cap. I click on this, click on open. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing now is, first I have to go here under draw, select pick line. Then I'll come down here to this line. This is supposed to be a position for ridge cap. Come to this line, click on it, come to this one, click on it, come here, click on it. I am not supposed to click here because this is the gutter. So I come here, click here, click here, click here. You can see how easy and fast this one is. You don't need any offsetting, you don't need any trimming. There is no trimming involved at all. So when you're done with this, when you are done clicking on the ridge cap positions, go to modify, click on modify to end the command, then go to 3D view to see how it looks. So this is it. Like I told you, most times the material does not come with the roof material, but you are now going to apply the roof material on this. So when you click on the ridge cap, go to edit type, then under materials here, click on this open space. These three dots will come out. Click on the three dots. Then look for the material you used for the roof. What is the material that was used for the roof? This is it. This is black roof. This is the material used for the roof. All right. So you're going to click on this material and click OK. And click OK again. You can see it has changed to the roof material. So it has changed to the roof material. So the roof material and the ridge cap material have become one. So this is the second method and the easiest and fastest way to apply the ridge cap on your roof. In case you would need these components, the ridge cap components, just comment on the comment section by writing down your email address. I'm going to send it personally to your email. If this video has made any sense to you, if it was of value, if it was useful, I would want you to like, comment, and share. All right, so that others will know about this channel, others will also benefit from what we are doing here. We are also into interior design. We are also into full-time 3D visualization, in case you know somebody that may need our services, or in case you are a busy architect that will need to impress your clients with your work. We are always available for you here. You can check the comment section or the description of this video for our contacts. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.